welcome to Chronicle Conversations by the Art Chronicle. It's a conversation with artists, photographers, designers, basically everything art. Some artists train for years, some go to fancy schools, and then there's Diksha Rai, who just picked up a brush one day and never put it down. Today, she's got thousands of people following her and her journey online, but it still feels personal because at the end of the day, she's just a girl with a paintbrush telling stories the only way she knows how. We're very glad that you're here, Diksha.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
So we told the community that you're coming and they sent us some questions that we put on these chits. तो आप एक एक करके इसमें से select करो
Okay.
and then you answer them. I'll tell you the questions.
All right.
ठीक है? First pick. I'll open. If you had to give up art or Instagram for a month, which one are you secretly choosing? Secretly, openly choosing.
Of course, Instagram. Just imagine the amount of content I would create without the distractions.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the most Delhi thing that you've ever painted?
Food.
Food? What all have you painted? in
I
food?
have painted golgappe. I have painted jalebi. Momos. I have painted. So yeah.
Are you a foodie?
Yes.
Yes. How did you
yes.
get into painting food?
It's especially during lockdown. I started painting, and I was also cooking. So while cooking, that was the inspiration that I took for my paintings. So it started there.
Which was the first food painting that you made?
I think I did a burger.
You once sketched in the Delhi metro. What made you pick up your pen in that moment?
Initially, it was boredom because I used to live in Faridabad and I used to travel for everything to Delhi. तो एक 1 hour का पूरा journey होता था. So I was very bored. And then I started seeing people what they were doing, and then I started taking sketchbooks with me, and then
Okay.
I started sketching them. पहले तो it was just observation.
Hmm.
Later it was I wanted to surprise them. तो वो भी
You started
एक,
giving it.
yeah,
to
I started giving it to them. At one point, I also made a few sketches and I just pasted it in the metro, and I was just hoping I don't get
Caught.
arrested for it because it's not allowed. But yeah, just small artworks that anyone can pick up, and it just could.
Did you see anyone picking it up?
No, I of course not. I just
Left it. Okay.
Yeah, but I just hope that someone would pick it up and feel happy about it.
So when is this? मतलब कब क्या था ये?
This was
first time?
around 3 years ago.
Food art is your signature. What's your dream dish to illustrate?
I would love to paint ramen. I dread
Ah.
painting ramen because, of course, lot of
Lot of
noodles and
noodles.
toppings. But I would love to paint it on a big scale, and I just want people to buy it.
Which is the biggest painting that you've made?
Biggest painting that I made was it was a big landscape for an interior project. It was a
Okay.
big mountain. I think it was almost 5 feet,
Hmm.
and I think that was the biggest one that I made.
What is the weirdest message you've gotten in your DMs after posting a reel?
I want this to be a family podcast, so I cannot tell. But
We
yeah,
get it.
but the weirdest ones are mostly PP. I don't like that message at all. Give PP, show PP. I don't want that.
If you do a complete art swap with another creator for a week, who are you picking?
I would want to swap myself with Monet because he once started losing his eyesight and still he continued painting. So I would love to experience how he saw colors, patterns, people, and still, even after losing his sight, he continued painting.
Yeah.
So what made him do that? I would like to experience that.
Are you drawn to the Italian way of painting or Renaissance or anything?
Yes. If you'll see my paintings, recent paintings, most of them are inspired by Baroque frames. So yes, you can say that.
Correct.
You can say that.
Okay, last one. If you could paint live at any event, anything from a shadi to a street market, what would it be?
A shadi, of course. I would definitely want myself out of my sweats and t-shirt. Imagine, being all fancy
Lehenga
up
and
and lehenga and
painting.
everything and just sitting there and painting.
Don't
would
you
like to
think you should
experience
try it this year?
Yeah, I I wanted to, but people are not ready to pay that much yet.
I'm getting married this year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So we're done with the questions. Acha, this reminds me, this is something that we've got by Diksha. Can you tell us how you made it? And
This is air dry clay.
okay, can is this visible? Take.
And this reminds me that I also got something for you and Kishmish.
Really?
Yes.
Kishmish, come here. Thank you
This is
so
for you.
much. This is so sweet of you.
This is for Kishmish.
Should we open it?
Yes, of course.
Is it a tote bag? Yeah. Oh, oh my god, I love stationery. Yeah. It's not Chanel, but it still works well. Yeah, that's why she said that. Badass with a good ass. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is very sweet. Achha, now that you've given us the gift, this reminds me, how do you feel when any rishtedar or friends ask you for कि हमें भी कुछ बना के दे दो, हमारे भी घर पे लगा दो, या मम्मी बोलती है कि इनको भी फ्री में दे दो, इनको भी गिफ्ट कर दो? फिर
तो अभी एक छोटा सा ऐसे एक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? आप
हाँ.
जैसे मेरे को बोलो दीक्षा ये पेंटिंग कितनी अच्छी है, मेरे को दे दो, ऐसे जस्ट से
ठीक है, दीक्षा ये पेंटिंग कितनी अच्छी है, मेरे को दे दो.
I laugh until they leave. It's like that. It truly I laugh because it's some kind of a joke only, because
Yeah.
why would I
हाँ.
give you my whole process just for free?
मेरे साथ हुआ है बचपन में. So I used to make a lot of horses. मम्मी पापा ना देख रहे हो. तो वो ना बेसिकली अगर मैं कुछ बनाती थी या कुछ लगा होता था घर पे, तो गेस्ट्स आते थे, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स आते थे, वाह खुशी कितना अच्छा बनाया है वो. पापा कहते थे ये आप ले जाओ ना, खुशी और बना देगी. वो ले जाते थे.
खुशी printer.
Was there any moment when your family did not understand what you were doing, or were they supportive from the beginning, or how did this pan out?
I was very privileged in these terms because they
Yeah.
were always supportive, always. Although I did my master's in fashion and textiles, then
From?
lockdown happened from Amity University.
Okay.
And then lockdown happened and I started posting, my page grew,
Hmm.
and they were like, yes, you can continue this. But after lockdown, that particular phase, to overcome that was a struggle. Because
हाँ.
lockdown के दौरान सब लोग creative थे. Everybody wanted to learn something new. I was taking
Hmm.
workshops. I was posting about art. Everybody was consuming that content.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
then suddenly there was a very,
Big-
shift, a big
हाँ.
shift from that particular time. And
Hmm.
still they were very supportive. Ki, no, you have started it. You
You
continue
continue.
it. So
And
yeah.
your bachelor's was done?
I did my bachelor's from Lady Irwin College, Delhi University.
तो क्या पढ़ा था तो?
Home science, BSc Home science.
होम साइंस टू फैशन. हाँ, तो होम साइंस से फैशन एंड टेक्सटाइल.
होम साइंस में एक्चुअली बहुत कुछ पढ़ लिया था. इट
हाँ.
वाज जूलॉजी, बॉटनी, होम डेकोर एंड कुकिंग, या
फूड साइंस इन स्कूल.
या फूड
तो
साइंस.
उसमें भी सिखाया जाता
तो
था.
सब कुछ था उसमें, इवन टेक्सटाइल्स का था. तो एंड माय मॉम ओन्स अ बुटीक, सो आई थॉट आई विल हेल्प हर. हाँ, तो मैंने सोचा अब स्ट्रीमलाइन करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इतना सब कुछ पढ़ लिया, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा जाना कहाँ है. तो देन आई ऑप्टेड फॉर दिस मास्टर्स कोर्स, बट फिर लॉकडाउन ही हो गया. तो मेरे को ऐसे आर्ट करना था, तो वो पूरा ऐसे यूनिवर्स ने खेल रचा.
टेल मी अबाउट योर ब्रांड आर्ट कार्ट by Diksha. How
So-
did this come into being?
So I feel very proud to say that I have never changed my username.
Acha.
It has been this since 2020.
Okay.
So when I created this page, I just imagined, it was not concrete imagination कि नहीं ऐसा होगा ही होगा, but I imagined that someone would want to buy it.
Hmm.
So of course when you buy it, you put the thing in the cart.
Cart,
So it's
हाँ.
art cart and it's by me, so by Diksha.
Okay. That's nice. ये कब शुरू किया था?
2020 April.
अच्छा, the name and
Yeah.
everything.
I just started with it. आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं देखा, बस
ठीक
शुरू
है.
कर
So do
दिया.
you have a website and everything? for
No,
this?
no website, no portfolio. I think I lack there.
इसमें हम help कर देंगे. You were not doing any art before 2020, na?
No, just ऐसे ही random pastime.
So there's no shift that you faced from before COVID to after COVID.
हाँ, because I
तो-
never did any job.
हाँ. How do you take social media's response, because you have a lot of people following
Hmm.
your art? So how does that feel, that you have so many people following you, looking at your work, does it also feel lonely because you're alone making the painting, but there's so many people talking about it? Or what do you feel?
Initially, when I started posting, of course, during lockdown, there was this whole phase where everybody was very appreciative of whatever I did. I was posting continuously, and people wanted to see what I'm posting. But एक point आया जहाँ पे stagnant हो गया, मतलब people started living their lives. अब लॉकडाउन हट गया था, लोग
लॉकडाउन
अपने
के बाद तो बहुत बड़ा
हाँ,
शिफ्ट था ये.
हाँ.
हाँ.
और मतलब जो एंगेजमेंट आ रही थी वो सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं आ रही थी. तो
हाँ.
पर्सनल ग्रोथ का भी एक टाइम था व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड क्या आर्ट मेरे को करना है कि नहीं करना है, और मैं क्यों कर रही थी. क्या सिर्फ इसलिए कर रही थी कि लोग मेरे को देखें, मैं डाल रही हूँ तो लोग मेरे को मेरा आर्ट को लाइक करें या कमेंट करें, या मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं उसमें अच्छी हूँ या मैं उसमें बेटर होना चाहती हूँ. तो दैट वाज अ बिग शिफ्ट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. तो लोनली लगा, इसलिए लोनली लगा क्योंकि मैं अपने आर्ट से कनेक्टेड ही नहीं थी उस टाइम पे. और जब वो फेज मैंने क्रॉस कर लिया फिर लोनली नहीं लगता. फिर आई वुड प्रेफर कि मेरे को कोई डिस्टर्ब मत करो, मैं अकेली काम करूँ.
बट इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर यू टू गो थ्रू दैट फेज एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि तुम, बिकॉज अभी बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज विद कि आप अपने इनसाइट्स के लिए काम कर रहे हो कि आप इंस्टाग्राम के लिए डाल रहे हो या अपने लिए आर्ट बना रहे हो, बिकॉज दोज आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर समवन टू मेक इट कोहेसिव इन दोनों के लिए काम कर जाए वो. So before you realized that, okay, this is what I want to do, or you realized, okay, I'm good at this, who was the first person who actually either noticed or you told कि मैं ऐसे बना रही हूँ?
Of course my parents. I told them कि अच्छा मैं ये पेज बना रही हूँ, इस पे पेंटिंग्स डालूंगी, let's see अभी क्या होता है लॉकडाउन में. They were very supportive. Secondly, there's this lady called Angel Bedi. I don't know if you know her. I don't know if she posts now or not, but back then she used to post a lot of raw art, and I attended one of her workshops. I think it was before lockdown, and I got very inspired because she was just raw artist, like she did whatever she wanted to, and that really inspired me.
So everybody has a secret dream that they have that they're afraid to say out loud. Do you have any one of them?
Yeah, I want to act.
You want to act?
I imagine myself एकदम बड़ा सा एकदम सिनेमैटिक सेटअप है, एंड देयर इज अ बिग कैनवस एंड आई एम पेंटिंग, एंड देयर इज दिस होल म्यूजिक वीडियो दैट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड मी, एंड आई एम जस्ट पेंटिंग, एंड बस ऐसा सिनेमैटिक सा कुछ हो जाए. इवन व्हेन आई क्रॉस अ रोड, सीपी में आप वो क्रॉस रोड्स देखते हो और एकदम सब गाड़ियाँ रुक जाती है क्रॉस रोड, आई ऑलवेज, कोई मेरे साथ रहता है, मैं हमेशा उसको कहती कोई शूट कर रहा होता. तो इट्स पता नहीं कैसे अंदर का कोई कीड़ा है दैट आई वांट कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाए. But
you want to act and उसमें painting
हाँ,
भी
उसमें painting भी involved हो. Yes.
I think किशमिश इसको कलाकार आर्काइव के बारे में बताना पड़ेगा.
So I'm not crazy to dream about this.
No, of course not. If you could sit your 17-year-old down and you could say one thing, what would you say?
I would say it's okay maths नहीं आती है तो, and it's okay तुम्हें braces लगने वाले अगले साल. Because these were my,
nightmares.
Yeah, nightmares.
मैथ्स तो मेरे को भी नहीं आती थी. मैंने मैथ्स ली भी नहीं थी 11th.
मैंने भी नहीं ली.
What was your first custom order?
I got to make a portrait for someone, and I had bad nerves because उस टाइम पे बहुत डर लग रहा था, नाक टेढ़ी बन गई, आँख टेढ़ी बन गई तो क्या होगा. एंड वो भी वर्ड ऑफ माउथ पे ही मिला था मेरे को वो कमीशन. तो आई वाज वेरी नर्वस, बट आई गेव आई थिंक होल 3 days to that छोटा A4 size का portrait, and it went well.
Do you like making
yes.
human?
Yes. I make a lot of portraits. Most of my commissions are portraits. Yes.
How did it feel to get paid for your art for the first time?
It was amazing. मेरे को पता नहीं था कि ऐसा हो सकता है बिकॉज इस एरिना में कभी मैंने स्टेप ही नहीं करा था, मैंने कभी एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं करा था. ऑल्दो आई न्यू कि मेरे को आर्ट में इंटरेस्ट है, बट बैक इन स्कूल ऑल्सो नो टीचर टोल्ड मी कि तुम इसमें ये कोर्स कर लो या वो कर लो. एंड पेरेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स दे वांटेड कि बस ड्यू मिल जाए, कोई भी कोर्स मिल जाए, ड्यू मिल जाए, तुम आराम से बस अपना कॉलेज बैचलर्स कर लो. तो कभी एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया, पर जब पैसा आया तो लगा कि यार इसमें भी हो सकता है.
What was the first amount that you earned through your art?
First amount for an A4 size portrait, I think I got 2,500 rupees.
It's a very nice feeling that when you get the first
yes
amount, मेरे को भी याद है जब मैंने आई सोल्ड अ कैनवास, उस समय मुझे अक्ल नहीं थी कि कितने का क्या बेचना है। मैं
हाँ
बहुत बड़ा कैनवास बेच दिया था
हाँ
6,000 में।
हाँ हाँ नहीं
बट
बिल्कुल मैंने किया अभी ये पोर्ट्रेट तो वो भी उनकी कृपा से कि मैंने बस बोला और उन्होंने मान लिया बिकॉज ही
हाँ
वॉज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंड ऐसे
मैंने,
कनेक्शन
हाँ
था
ये मेरा भी
हाँ
फ्रेंड को ही
बट
था।
ऐसे भी आते हैं जो 500 रुपये में भी मांगते हैं
मांगते तो
250 में भी
हैं
बोलते हैं
हाँ।
पेंसिल स्केच तो वो वाला फेज भी
हम्म
देखा है
बट नो आर्टिस्ट इन द बिगनिंग नोस कि कितने में
एग्जैक्टली
बेचो
ट्रू
एंड ऑल दैट। हाउ
ट्रू
डिड यू लर्न हाउ टू सेट अ वैल्यू टू योर आर्ट?
I started calculating how much time I am giving to my artwork
मटेरियल
and
भी
yeah
कितना
what
लग रहा
art
है?
supplies that
हाँ
I'm मतलब using and
हम्म
also जिनका open source पे artwork लगा हुआ था
हम्म
of course मेरे को शर्म आती है पूछने में किसी आप कितना चार्ज करते हो बट जिनका
हाँ
वेबसाइट लगी हुई है या कुछ ऐसा है तो आई
हाँ
ऑलवेज यूज टू सर्च दैट कि अच्छा दे आर चार्जिंग इतना
इतना
साइज पे
इतना हाँ
इतना
हाँ
तो
हाँ।
उससे थोड़ा कैलकुलेट करके आई यूज टू चार्ज
When you're painting, do you have any emotions that you paint with? Because you have a lot of portraits coming in, and there can be nostalgia, there can be anything. So, what is the emotion that you have when you paint?
It basically depends on what the client has conveyed.
Hmm.
If it's a birthday gift portrait, of course, it's a happy
Yeah,
emotion.
yeah.
You want it to be perfect
Hmm.
because abhi, the person who's paying is not the person you're making. It's some other
Ha, it's some
people.
another person. Hmm.
So that is one particular emotion. Then again, some people ask for commissions for the people who have already passed away
Ha.
and who they have lost. Suppose their pets,
Hmm.
their grandparents. So एक उसका अलग emotion होता है.
Hmm.
But at the end of the day, I just want it to be perfect in
Yeah.
my end.
Hmm. Do you have a motto or something tagline for your brand, Art Card?
I just say this. I'm not sure if it's my tagline, but I just say this that creativity is not a competition.
हमारा जब स्टार्टिंग में हमने शुरू किया था तो हमारे टैगलाइन था कोलैबोरेशन ओवर कंपटीशन.
Oh,
Then we changed it to created to create.
okay,
मतलब we
okay.
use both of them.
But I go by this because
हाँ.
this really motivates me to go beyond my
Yeah.
skills.
When you built your brand, उसमें काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं. One of them is packaging, and I saw that you've done it really well. It really suits your personality with pink and everything. So how did you work on that? Did you have help? या कैसे किया था?
I sourced the materials. Of course, I went on Pinterest as well.
हाँ.
उसमें मैंने देखा कि क्या हो सकता है कोई possibility endless possibilities हैं उसमें तो but then I also wanted to be a little bit sustainable and also थोड़ा अपने बजट में आ जाए तो I
हाँ.
sourced for bright colors normal आपका mailers only but colors should be bright
Hmm.
and some postcards I always give so that
Hmm.
even if the artwork has been exhausted or they have left the artwork somewhere
People always keep
yeah
or
they
use the
they keep a
podcast.
small thing
हाँ.
and they remember
Souvenir.
yeah remember it
Hmm.
so
Okay.
that's why I just want it to be nostalgic to them कि अभी कहीं रख दिया है एकदम से
हाँ.
दिखे तो उनको याद आए कि oh
ये
I got
Diksha
something
दिया.
from
हाँ.
Diksha
Are your Instagram profile, yours and art card the same? एक ही
yes
profile है?
yes
Okay. So how do you work on your feed? Because you have a lot of soft tones and pastels. So is it something that you plan beforehand? Do you have a team for your?
no
You do it yourself?
yeah
Even the
and
recording, editing, everything is done
yeah
by you?
everything by
Okay.
myself and I think I have become a bit rigid also
हाँ.
कि मेरे को लगेगा कि मैं आउटसोर्स कराऊंगी कहीं मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होगा तो मतलब कुछ अलग ना लगने लग जाए मेरी फीड बट जो मेरी फीड क्यूरेट हुई है इट्स नॉट अ सेट आइडिया
Hmm.
आई जस्ट पोस्ट एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग
Whatever comes to
या
you.
एंड वो आप देखोगे कि मेरे फीड में फेजेस होंगे
हाँ.
स्टार्टिंग में एक फेज है देन एक दूसरा फेज एक तीसरा फेज है तो एज आई ग्रो माई फीड ग्रोज विद मी
Hmm. But I
It's like
think
that.
उसी से personal touch आता है.
I
Rather
think
than
so,
it
yeah.
start, मतलब if you outsource it to an agency who does not understand you, तो
Yeah.
वो एकदम ही
Exactly.
robotic लगने लगेगा. If what? If your Instagram feed was a street food stall, what would it be serving?
It would be serving pav bhaji and golgappe and jalebi and kalakand and a lot of sweets actually.
इस stall में मैं खड़ी होंगी. So you like chatpata stuff also and
Yes.
meetha also. Which is your favorite sweet?
Jalebi.
Jalebi. What's the story about this pimples?
वो भी एक फेज था that I wanted to make witty art थोड़ा देख के
हाँ.
ऐसा लगे कि अरे ये तो देखा हुआ है लेकिन इस पे लिखा तो कुछ और
कुछ
है.
और है. What mediums do you work with for your art?
So I started with watercolors, then I shifted to gouache and poster colors, then acrylics, then back
Okay.
to watercolors. Now I am mostly working with acrylics.
So on paper
yes, on
or
canvas, on
canvas?
paper,
Both.
both. Yeah.
Okay. What is your process like? Do you start with sketching first? Yeah. Do you just go with the
See,
paint?
the point of being a self-taught artist is that you just play with the rules,
Yeah.
and
Do you underpaint and all of that?
I skip it most of the
हाँ, no
time,
one really
but
likes to do it.
I
हाँ.
don't recommend it because of course वो steps किसी reason की वजह से हैं, and of course the people who are young and listening to this podcast, I don't want them to just start from anywhere,
हाँ.
because these steps help you in creating, you know, a perfect, you know, outcome.
There is a
Yes.
difference between जिसने proper steps follow करके underpaint करके किया और जिसने बस फटाफट कर
Yes,
लिया है.
yes.
उसमें
But
difference
ऐसा नहीं है
दिखता
कि
है.
मेरी अंडर पेंटिंग वाली पेंटिंग अच्छी नहीं है.
हाँ. अच्छी होती है, but
हाँ.
there's a difference in the finish
Yes,
of it and
yes, of course.
everything.
But yeah, I do like to just go in with the ideas. जैसे
Hmm.
एकदम से मेरे को कुछ strike हुआ तो I would just want to grab my canvas and my paints and just start.
फटाफट
Yes.
start. So, but do you start with sketching or do you start with underpainting? Was any
Sometimes
light?
sketching. अगर कुछ बहुत intricate I have to draw,
हाँ, हाँ.
तो I start with sketching. Otherwise, if I have a big canvas, I have to paint a bigger background, I just start with the paint.
Mhm. If you have creative blocks, what do you do to get out of it?
A lot of people think that I, you know, search somewhere else for inspiration or I just think about art. It's not like that. I try to cook. I cook and I
Okay.
eat, and then when my tummy is full, my mind is working again, and then I create again.
What do you like to cook?
नॉर्मल घर का खाना, शाही पनीर, कभी थोड़ा सा गार्लिक ब्रेड बना लिया ऐसे
हाँ,
ओवन
हाँ.
डाल के, छोटा सा मग केक बना लिया, ये सारी चीज़.
ठीक है. Do you like making desserts also?
Yes.
We just met you at your first exhibition. How was that?
It was a very, very new experience because all these years I was just posting on Instagram, on social
हाँ,
media.
हाँ, हाँ.
And now seeing people see my art for real was different. They can touch it, they can, you know, appreciate it on my face.
Yeah.
Right?
Not on
So,
comments.
yeah. So it was a different experience. I could see
Hmm.
their expressions, I could see what they felt,
हाँ.
and they stopped, they paused, they were looking at my painting. So that was very nice to see.
How did it come to happen? Like, how did you decide कि ठीक है अब exhibition करते हैं? Also tell the process a little because I think the community is watching and they would want to know because most people are blank कि ये करते कैसे और क्या करना और किससे पूछना है.
I just saw an ad
हाँ.
for this exhibition on Instagram, and I did not give any second thought. I just tapped on that ad and I filled the form, and they reached out to me. Of course, it was a paid exhibition, so you have to pay and select
Yeah.
a stall.
Hmm.
And I did that, and I was just hoping to gain a new experience. That's it. So that was my only.
वो मिल गया.
Yeah. तो वो एक नया experience
But
मिला.
now, would you want to go for your other exhibitions?
Yeah, yes, I would say I would want to better my craft because I saw other artists as well, those who have been exhibiting for a very, very long time. Their artworks are very specific and very branded. You know, अगर वो उनका आर्टवर्क आप देखोगे और उनके नाम से एसोसिएट करोगे तो ऐसा आप पहचान सकते हो, डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो कि ये इनका आर्ट है. तो मैं ऐसा कुछ बनाना चाहूँगी अपने आर्ट का या अपने स्टाइल का कि कुछ बहुत ही डिफरेंट हो और लोग देख के पहचाने. Then I would want to go to a better, bigger platforms.
But अभी मुझे food कहीं दिखेगा तो I'll know it's you. Has this been your most proud moment yet? या कुछ और?
Proud moments, yes, you can say.
One of
But
them.
प्राउड मोमेंट्स मेरे हर दिन कहीं ना कहीं छोटे छोटे फॉर्म्स में आते हैं. whenever I pay my bills, whenever I pay
You're so
others'
sweet.
bills, सब वो सारे मेरे moments proud होने के हैं because after 2020, since I started doing art, I never asked for pocket money or any kind of money. जब से मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ी तो वो मेरे लिए, और इवन मेरे पेरेंट्स भी ये बात बोलते हैं, वो खुश होते हैं इस बात से कि तुमने अपना खर्चा सारा खुद उठा लिया. एंड आई थिंक वो इंडिपेंडेंस मेरे लिए बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग है.
Can we talk about the Condé Nast moment? How was it? Did they reach out to you?
I get goosebumps because it was so random. Okay, I just got a mail from their team and तब मेरे इतने followers भी नहीं थे. I don't remember कितने थे but कम थे, इतना मुझे पता है. And they wanted 10 food illustrations to be featured in their magazine.
Wow.
वो तो ठीक है, एंड देन ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट दे वर आस्किंग हाउ मच आई वुड चार्ज, वो
How
तो
much
मेरे लिए,
you would charge to
या
put it up there?
तो मेरे लिए तो एकदम ऐसे हार्ट अटैक वाला सीन था कि ये तो नकली लग रहा है, इट्स नॉट रियल. देन आई टोल्ड माई डैड कि ये पापा इसका मेल का ज़रा देखना, ये कहाँ से आ रही है.
हाँ.
देन ही सॉ, देन ही सेड कि नहीं नहीं, इट्स वैलिड, you should reply. Then I replied, then there was this whole process. They wanted to share कि अच्छा ये cities हैं, you source the photographs, आप ढूंढ के लाओ, हमें primary sketches दो, then we'll उसको हम okay करेंगे. It was a very tedious process, but the outcome was great. They even posted my photo starting में magazine में, उसके बाद छोटा सा एक anecdote सा छोटा सा लिखा था, and then but पूरी शीट पे मेरी पेंटिंग्स थी. तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट भी था, और एक अ वेरी मोटिवेशनल पॉइंट इन माई लाइफ कि नहीं, कुछ हो सकता है.
The right people
हाँ.
are watching
एंड
your work.
स्पेशली फूड इलस्ट्रेशन से मेरे को पैसे मिले. मतलब फूड इलस्ट्रेशन वो समथिंग दैट आई डिड जस्ट फॉर फन. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं उसको बेच के कुछ सोच रही थी कि कौन खरीदेगा ये तुम्हारे कोक की बॉटल की फोटो और केचप की बॉटल बना रही हो, क्या होगा इसका. बट वो जब मोमेंट आया तो मेरे को लगा कि नहीं यार, मेरी आर्ट को देखने वाले और भी लोग हैं, इसका भी कुछ हो सकता है.
Have you always stayed in Delhi? Yeah. Are you from somewhere else?
I'm from NCR. I was born and brought up in Faridabad. Because Faridabad थोड़ा outskirts पे है ना, तो I used to travel to Delhi to eat, for cafes, for everything. So of course वो metro का travel करना, यहाँ आके और city vibes, better city vibes देखना, college ऐसे इधर था, तो वो सारी चीज़ें mix होके कहीं ना कहीं तो करा ही होगा कुछ मेरे art में contribute.
Where do you draw inspiration for your art from? Is there a certain practice that you have?
It's not like a set way that I draw inspiration, but I think I'm always on my phone. I'm always on my phone. I'm watching people post art, post photographs, a lot of photography I see on Instagram. And then, of course, there's nature. So all of my recent artworks and many landscapes that I paint are inspired by nature. There's a small story I would like to tell.
Please tell.
During lockdown, I used to live on the 5th floor, and there was this building on the left side of my building and also on the right side. And मेरी विंडो से एक छोटी सी स्पेस थी जहाँ से आपको पूरा आसमान और थोड़े पौधे, फिर गाय भैंस भागती हुई चलती हुई वो दिखती थी. एंड 2020 में द स्काई वाज इनसेन. जब लॉकडाउन हो गया था, it was so pretty. तो वहाँ से I always used to see कि nature has shifted, the colors are amazing, it was flourishing. And my paintings, landscape especially, depicts how humans and nature can coexist and what would be an ideal place to live. तो मेरी जितनी भी लैंडस्केप पेंटिंग्स आप देखोगे, सारा मेरे ट्रैवल्स से, जो लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे मैंने स्काईज देखे थे, पेड़ पौधे देखे थे, वो उससे इंस्पायर.
ट्रैवल कहाँ किया है?
Traveled, I traveled to Spiti, I traveled to Ladakh, I traveled to Japan, and a lot.
How
many
was
places.
Japan?
Japan was amazing.
Oh.
Japan was amazing. I cannot
I've
stop
heard
thinking
कि वो
about it.
2050 में रह रहे हैं और हम पीछे. They have a lot of systems जो
Yes.
काफी human friendly है कि
Exactly.
it makes things very
And the
easy.
people there love nature. They worship nature. I think that is the reason why they keep everything clean.
हाँ,
उनकी
everything
सड़क,
is clean
उनका
there.
छोटा सा आपको साइड में एक बुश का लेन भी दिखेगा, तो उसमें भी वो उसको एकदम कटिंग करके एकदम नीट एंड क्लीन रखते हैं. तो देयर इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट शिफ्ट दैट आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड यहाँ से वहाँ जाने में. तो बड़ा मज़ेदार था.
So when you came in, I also noticed that you have a tattoo. What is the story? Oh, okay. You have 2 tattoos.
So these are my friendship tattoos. So one is with one friend, one is with another friend. It's like that.
How many are here now?
Okay, 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So the heart was different. Uske around jo hai wo different
Another
person. Another person. Okay. And this is my first tattoo.
This is your first tattoo?
This is my first tattoo.
क्या है ये? Can you explain?
It says art shall remain forever. So even when I am done with this life, my art will be here
forever.
Yes.
Okay.
And
this is also 2020?
This was 2021, I think. लॉकडाउन मतलब थोड़ा सा सब्साइड कर गया था, उसके बाद ही जब मेरे को एकदम लगा कि अब टैटू ही करवा लूंगी तभी आगे बढ़ूंगी कि मतलब लिख लूंगी तब तो फिर करना ही पड़ेगा आगे. तो ये वो वाला मोमेंट था. एंड आई
Hmm.
ऑल्सो लाइक बिलोंग टू अ मिडिल क्लास बॉर्डर लाइन कॉन्जर्वेटिव फैमिली. तो उनका हाँ बोलना ही मेरे लिए बहुत
बहुत
बड़ी
बड़ी
विन
बात
थी.
थी.
एंड माई मॉम केम विद मी ये टैटू
For
करवाने.
this?
या
Okay.
तो ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
Do you have any funny stories related to your art? किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया या कुछ हुआ funny?
ऐसा एक कस्टमर था, फनी भी है, मतलब अच्छा मोटिवेटिंग भी है. उन्होंने बोला कि नाउ डोंट स्टार्ट चार्जिंग टू मच, आई वांट टू अफोर्ड योर आर्ट. मतलब
Excuse me.
मतलब अब ये था कि उनको पसंद तो आया है मेरा आर्ट,
हाँ.
दे वांट टू बाय इट, बट अब फेमस मत हो जाना
अच्छा.
कि ताकि तुम महंगा करने लगो. तो वो भी एक था कि मतलब हाँ ठीक है, मतलब अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ.
काम किया है मैंने, इनका मतलब ये है. बाकी फ़नी होता रहता है. मेरी मॉम बहुत क्रिटिकल है मेरे काम को लेके, एंड शी इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ परफेक्शनिस्ट.
Okay.
तो जब भी मैं कुछ मतलब स्पेशली जब मैं पोर्ट्रेट बनाती हूँ तो वो बोलती है, अरे नाक टेढ़ी कर दी, इसकी नाक पतली है, तुमने मोटी कर दी, अब वो देखेगी तो क्या बोलेगी. तो ये वाले मतलब थोड़ी नोक-झोंक मेरी मम्मी के साथ चलती रहती है.
How is it painting you paint at home, na?
यस.
So how is it painting at home even though you use watercolors and acrylic की भी smell होती है because मेरे घर पे if I'm painting I use oil and acrylic तो उसके oil acrylic की smell ऊपर से turpentine ये वो सबका smell तो if someone else is with me they can't breathe. तो you're married, you
Yeah.
have a husband, so how does that work, like what does he
फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट आई डोंट यूज ऑयल्स.
हाँ तो उतनी
हाँ,
smell
तो
नहीं
एक
होती
तो
है.
स्मेल का ज़्यादा स्मेल का फैक्टर वहाँ चला
अच्छा
गया.
acrylic में भी क्या ही
एक्रेलिक
smell
में
है.
स्मेल नहीं आती, बट या आई बिफोर गेटिंग मैरिड आई वांटेड अ डेजिग्नेटेड स्पेस कि एक वाइट टेबल मेरे को प्रॉपर चाहिए जिसपे मैं अपना स्टैंडिंग ईजल
हाँ.
रख सकूं, या ईजल रखने की स्पेस चाहिए, एक प्रॉपर सीटिंग चाहिए कि मैं अपना पोस्चर ठीक से करके
हाँ.
रख सकूं. एंड whenever I'm painting, या whenever I'm in my zone, or even if I don't want anyone around, he's always supportive. He's like, you do your thing, I'll go to the living room, yeah, I'll go to the another room. ऐसा
Is your
he's
husband also creatively inclined?
I think so, a little bit. He's into construction, so
Acha.
he's very keen on
हाँ.
decorating a space and stuff like that. But I still think he needs to learn a lot about art
Yeah, हाँ, you'll teach
because
him.
he gets bored in museums, and that is
Oh
a biggest
no.
ick for me. So
Husband से एक बार. Have you had a mentor or a teacher who's helped you, or do you have any story about
yes,
a teacher?
back in school I had my fine arts teacher. She had her own way of motivating children. She used to call them out of the classes and उनको ड्यूटी दे देती थी, एनुअल डे पे सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है तो ये डेकोरेशन करनी है या ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स बनाने हैं टीचर्स के लिए. शी ऑलवेज यूज टू call for me.
Okay.
And I think that really motivated me in a sense because she chose me. Because there were
Hmm.
other creative students as well, but she used to choose me, and that really made me happy. Again, one very recent thing that happened was during my exhibition.
This one,
Yeah,
the
this
heart of
one.
art.
When I was in, I think, 7th standard, during summer vacations, my mom put me up for a drawing class, which was very near to my place, just 500 meters. तो वो भी एक सिंपल सी छोटी लड़की ही थी, like 20-21, and she used to just teach me and help me with my projects and stuff like that. तो वो 2 months का मैक्सिमम वेकेशन होता है, तो उसी दौरान उन्होंने मेरे को जितना सिखाया मैंने बहुत खुशी खुशी सीखा. एंड दैट सेम पर्सन केम विद हर किड on my stall exhibition pe.
Were you
And
in touch with her?
Not me, my mom. And but we were bawling our eyes out. She just
Oh.
came and she was like, do you remember? एक सेकंड के लिए तो मेरे को लगा देखा देखा लगा, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स फिजिकली शी इज चेंज्ड एंड शी हैज अ किड नाउ. बट व्हेन आई सॉ हर I started crying so bad because it was just a very happy.
You met her right after 7th standard?
Yes, right after, because she got married, she moved cities, तो टच छूट गया. बट हाँ, हमेशा उसको मैं याद करती थी बिकॉज जो मैं कहती हूँ ना सेल्फ टॉट आर्टिस्ट, ऑफ कोर्स मैंने कहीं से डिग्री नहीं ली है, बट ऐसे ही एक्सपीरियंसेस है जिन्होंने मेरे को सिखाया है, ऐसे ही लोग हैं जिन्होंने सिखाया. तो मैं तो बहुत एकदम परेशान ही हो गई थी कि यार मैं प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं थी, तुमने मेरे को स्टॉल के सामने ऐसे रुला दिया. बट इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी फुलफिलिंग मोमेंट.
So we missed out a question from the community lot, which is if your art was a character in a movie, which character would it be?
Govinda. I love
Oh
Govinda.
God.
I think
you full filmy, full foodie.
there's a lot of Govinda personality in me and my art.
Yeah.
And
Do
not
you like
just
to dance also?
Yes, I love dancing.
Nice.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ हैप्पी आर्ट है, मेरा सैड आर्ट भी है. गोविंदा की स्वर्ग अगर आपने देखी हो, वेरी इमोशनल मूवी. So I would say yes,
Which is
Govinda.
your favorite pairing with Govinda?
Karishma Kapoor.
What if I give you a situation where you have unlimited budget to buy art for 24 hours? What are you putting in your cart?
Canvas, paint, palette knives, जो भी सबसे महंगा होगा सबसे पहले वो
बड़े-बड़े
उठाऊंगी। हाँ,
canvases
बड़े
सबसे
बड़े
पहले ना।
हाँ, सबसे पहले ये एक्रेलिक मीडियम, सारे जेल बेस्ड मीडियम,
हाँ,
सारे
हाँ।
वार्निश,
जो
और
महंगे वाले
सब
brands
कुछ
है,
महंगा वाला सेक्शन
paint।
सारा उठा लूंगी। वाओ,
मैं
इमेजिन करने लग गई, मजा आ गया।
वो जो महंगा वाला एक easel भी आता है,
हाँ,
बड़ा वाला,
बड़ा
it is
वाला,
so expensive
यस,
for anyone to buy. उसमें wheels वगैरह
हाँ,
सब
सब कुछ
अलग-अलग
होता है।
होते हैं। हाँ।
तो क्या ड्रीम दिखा दिया मेरे को।
एक दिन सब खरीदे। So what is next for Art Cart by Diksha?
I want to take small steps in becoming professional because since I don't have a degree in art, I always think I lack that professionality when it comes to, you know, portraying your work to the audience or to a client. So I would want a proper portfolio. I would want a proper website जिसमें जाके मेरे बारे में सब पता हो, मेरा सारा आर्ट उसमें हो, and it's an experience to look at. So I would want to curate that along the coming months.
But if I give you a hypothetical situation that everything's perfect, your art is great, your clientele is great, your entire branding has been done, and if you could, there's no budget issue. And if you could like dream कि मैं art cafe खोलूँ या मैं studio खोलूँ या कुछ भी खोलूँ, तो what would that dream be?
आर्ट कैफे और स्टूडियो का मिक्सचर खोलूंगी कि बंदा आए, अपने डेट्स को लेके आए, कॉफी भी पिए, एंड देयर आर आर्ट सप्लाईज,
बुक्स भी पढ़े,
बुक्स भी पढ़े, मतलब
फ्लावर्स भी
हाँ,
ले ले।
फ्लावर्स भी ले ले, बस पैसे कमाऊं मैं उससे, मजा आ जाए।
You mentioned that falling in love with the color green changed something for you. So what was that exactly?
There was this very specific moment in my life when I thought कि ग्रीन बहुत अच्छा कलर है, और बहुत ही रैंडम है, हंसी आएगी आपको। ऐसे किचन में एक जो रोटी का कपड़ा होता है, इट वाज अ पिंक चेकर्ड रोटी का कपड़ा, उसके ऊपर टिंडे सूख रहे थे, एंड
You like the color combination of green
like the color combination. I was like, टिंडा इतना सुंदर क्यों दिख रहा है? And that
Please
particular,
tell me you painted that tinder.
I did not paint, but I actually got struck with the whole
Color.
beauty of tinda green. So I think
मैं
after
बोलने
Laddu
वाली
Pila,
थी
it will be
कि
tinda
I
green
hope you're gonna
trending now.
say कि olive green है and hers is tinda green.
Tinda green is a very soft, muted, प्यारा सा green. And
I
then
think
I
this is the first
realized,
time someone has explained tinda green color as soft and muted.
I try to relate it to my childhood also कि
How?
मेरी मम्मी का favorite color green था,
Okay.
ठीक है, और मैं बोलती थी क्या है बेसिक सा कलर, ग्रीन कैसे हो सकता है किसी का फेवरेट कलर, और तब मेरे को क्यों नहीं पसंद था, यार सारी सब्जियां ग्रीन होती थी, तुम
हाँ.
तोरी भिंडी ये सब खिला रहे हो, नहीं ग्रीन पसंद। फिर अब बड़े होके जब ग्रीन पसंद आने लगा तो लगा कि ग्रोथ हो गई है यार, बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं।
If you ever saw that someone has recreated your art or copied it, हुआ है ऐसा, या अगर होगा तो फिर what are you gonna do about it?
ऐसा हुआ है, मतलब आर्टिस्ट ने इंस्पिरेशन ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करते करते एक पूरा ही कॉपी कर दिया है, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि इट हैज़ अफेक्टेड मी इन एनी वे। ऑफ कोर्स अभी मेरा आर्ट उतना बड़ा नहीं है, कॉपीराइटेड नहीं है, सब कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, तो मैं कुछ कर भी नहीं सकती उस मामले में, बट हाँ थोड़ा बुरा भी लगता है, बट एक तरह की मोटिवेशन भी है कि दे फाउंड इट गुड इनफ टू कॉपी,
You take it positively.
हाँ, आई टेक इट पॉजिटिवली। ऐसे पिंटरेस्ट कभी कभी स्क्रॉल करती हूँ तो उसमें, मतलब मैंने नहीं डाला लेकिन किसी ने उठा के मेरा आर्ट डाला हुआ है, हाँ, और उस पर व्यूज आए हुए हैं, सब कुछ हुआ है, तो ये सारी चीजें होती रहती हैं, बट मेरे को अभी बिगर पिक्चर देखना है, अभी और बड़ा बनना है जहाँ पे मेरे को ये चीजें अफेक्ट करेंगी, वहां तक उस लेवल तक पहुंचना है, तब तक तो मैं लॉयर वगैरह रख लूंगी।
If there's a young creator watching this thinking that he or she is not good enough, so what would you want to say to them?
I would say congratulations, you're an artist now.
Yeah.
But
आप सही दिशा में जा रहे हो.
हाँ, बट हम हमेशा किसी के मिडल को अपने स्टार्ट से कंपेयर करते हैं, तो वो गलत हो जाता है। उनकी ऑलरेडी जर्नी आपसे पहले स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, अभी आप जिस चीज़ से कंपेयर कर रहे हो दैट हैज़ टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, एफर्ट, पेशेंस, हार्ड वर्क। सो जब तक आप वो टाइम, एफर्ट, पेशेंस, हार्ड वर्क डालोगे नहीं, तो हाउ कैन यू कंपेयर दिस? दैट्स नॉट अ फेयर कंपैरिजन।
There's no comparison.
So you just need to start and you'll reach there.
Lastly, I want to know what you think about the Art Chronicle. As you already know, it's a platform that we've built for artists and we help them through a lot of things. So what do you think about this community and platform.
I'm very excited to be affiliated with you guys at this moment because हम आर्टिस्ट ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म लैक करते हैं जो सिर्फ हमारे बारे में सोचे. तो आप लोग हमारे बारे में सोच रहे हो. You are trying to provide opportunities for us in a fun way. Because I never imagined being an artist, drawing illustrations, sitting here and talking about my journey.
Yeah.
So this is a new experience for me, and ऐसा करने से there are a lot of people who will get motivated to actually pursue this as their career.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy that you started this.
Thank you. I'm very excited that you're a part of this now. I think we have a lot of things that we'll do together now. Last thing is that we want a souvenir from you. And other than what you've already given us, you can pick up any sheet of color of your choice.
Okay.
And isme either write something or draw something for us that we'll keep with us.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Thank you. It has a message also. It's only going to get big from here. दिख रहा है? Thank you.
Should I explain?
हाँ.
So it's a big art gallery, and
मैं
this
इधर दिखा देती हूँ.
this
हाँ.
is Art Chronicle, and this is someone who's shooting this whole space. So I
Okay.
just wanted to say that you guys are going to grow so much more from here.
That is so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you here.
Same here. Bye-bye.